Welcome to Mridula's channel. We are making candles for Diwali.
It's so nice.
Me and Kanish is going to make Diwali decorations. For that we are going to make candles. Come on, let's do it. Okay, first we have to pour water in these 4 glasses. Okay, let's pour. Now we are going to add paint. So I have taken pearl white for this first glass. I will tell you one thing which I have studied in science class. When two liquids mix with each other, it is called miscible. So paint and water are miscible. Now you can't see the water and paint separately because it got mixed nicely. It is called miscible. Next we are going to put blue color.
It's my this color.
Okay, let's put. Wow!
Wow.
Next is pink color, that is my dress color. Sharing is caring.
It is miscible.
Yes. Kanish will enjoy putting these colors. I'll take blue.
I'll take pink.
Mix. Kanish, you can try with different colors. Come on. Black color. Kanish, we mixed black and white. What color we got?
Grey.
Correct. We can also do design. I'll show you. Now we are going to add oil. Yes, Kanishu, oil will not get mixed with anything. It will be always separate. Kanish, look at here. Oil is separate from water.
Yes.
Kanish, hold here, okay? Then put inside like this. Yes, correct. Now, same like that. Hold here and put it. Wow! So nice!
Yes. We should always drink water.
Yes, Kanishu, we should not drink water in plastic. We should drink water in these type of bottles.
Always drink more water.
To keep yourself hydrated.
If you like